In today's video, I'll show you guys how to install a 100% save file in Hitman Game of the Year edition. Check my video description for the save file download link. Once download done, right click and select WinRAR and select extract to. Open the extracted folder and right click on the game and select open file location. Open retail and then drop the Steam EMU inside. Replace the file in the destination. Copy this Steam EMU. Then go back. Open this dx retail and paste the Steam EMU. Replace file in the destination. And once this done, go to this PC C drive users, public documents, Steam, dex 236870. And this is your game progress. You need to back up this folder, drag and drop to desktop, and drag and drop this 100% save in this location and launch the game. Go to destinations and choose any destination and go to planning, suit, every suit unlocked, gear, everything is unlocked, weapons, everything unlocked. And now you can enjoy the game, guys. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.